Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have the S26 Ultra here, and of course I'll be showing you one of the cool things that you can actually do with your camera. All right, so of course if you were to check out this device, there's a feature that's called auto framing, where of course you can actually set up your phone on a tripod, or of course you could actually use your kickstand or whatever you have. Then you could record a video, and once you're in front of the video, what's going to happen is that the camera will track you as if it's being controlled by somebody that has a gimbal, and they're able to turn as you turn and move as you move. Now of course this is great for vlogging and so on, so you do not need somebody behind the camera can actually use its many lenses, and of course once it uses its many lenses it will move and pan around with you. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that with your device. All right, in order to activate this feature, go ahead and go to your camera. Now once you're in your camera, this will only work in video mode, so go over to your video mode. So once you're in your video mode here, you're going to go ahead again guys, and what you're going to do is you're going to go here and you're going to tap on this button right here. So tap, you're going to see a bunch of features. Scroll all the way over, so you should be at this side. Scroll all the way over and you're going to tap on this feature. It says auto framing on. Now it needs a person before the camera. I don't have a person, however I have my cool Joris 59-in-1 chrome vanadium and precision screwdriver set, and I'm not advertising this. This was bought with my own money. I'm just showing you. All right, so the person on this, I'm going to use that as the guide, so that will act as the person. All right, so this will act as the person. So of course I'm going to place it here. Check it out guys, and here we go. So the camera is going to lock onto the image, and check this out. It will try it. All right, there you go. So let's say the person moves back, it will move. The person moves to the right, it will move. The person moves to the left, it will move. The person moves down, up, and it will keep on following. And this is using the zoom lenses, so as you can see, it will follow the person around within frame. There you go. So what it's doing, I'm not moving my hand, but it's able to follow the face of the person or track the person in the frame. All right, and this is a beautiful feature to use, and it's a brilliant use of the various lenses. So as you can see here guys, let me move my hand back a bit so the person moves to the left. Here you go, it moves. The person moves to the right, it will move. The person moves up close, it will move, and back. You get the idea. All right, so hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one as how to activate this as to the camera. All right, and remember as well that while the feature is on, which is right here, remember that you can actually start recording. So I'm just showing you that it tracks, so you can record as you're going along, and it's tracking the person. All right, as you can see. All right, so you can move up and down, move back and forth, and it will track you. And we can stop, right, and then you can go to your video, and as you can see guys, it works flawlessly. If that was a person moving in front of the camera with your set, it will just follow you around, and of course you could just walk through the set and everything would be fine. All right, so I'll end the tutorial here and hope that was useful with the new one of those cool features that you can use your camera on the S26 Ultra for. All right, so see you in the next one guys. Bye.